Looking for a foldable electric scooter that blends power, range, and convenience? Whether you're commuting, exploring, or just cruising, today we're counting down the top 5 best foldable electric scooters that are dominating the roads. Let's ride into it! Number 5 on our list is the Freeboy J03 foldable electric scooter. The Freeboy J03 foldable electric scooter is designed to offer a versatile and efficient mode of transportation, perfect for city commuting, short trips, and recreational use. Equipped with a powerful 36-volt, 350-watt brushless motor, it provides strong performance while maintaining low energy consumption. This motor incorporates single electronic commutation technology, which minimizes energy loss typically seen in mechanical commutation, resulting in high operating efficiency and smooth acceleration. The scooter is powered by a long-range 36V 10.4 Ah battery, allowing riders to travel further distances without frequent recharging. This makes it an ideal companion for daily travel needs and leisurely rides alike. The scooter's capability to handle a climbing angle of up to 25% adds to its versatility, making it suitable for urban environments that may include hills and inclines. One of the key features of the Freeboy J03 is its foldable and lightweight design, enhancing portability and ease of transport. This foldability makes it convenient for users to carry the scooter onto public transportation, store it at work, or take it along on trips without hassle. Its compact form factor does not compromise on functionality, providing a balance between performance and convenience. The scooter includes an LED digital display instrument that keeps riders informed about essential information such as speed, battery level, and other operational parameters. This feature adds to the user-friendly experience, enabling better control and awareness during rides. Overall, the Freeboy J03 foldable electric scooter combines power, efficiency, and portability, making it a practical option for those seeking an eco-friendly and reliable means of urban travel and recreation. Its thoughtful design and technological features align well with the needs of modern commuters and casual riders alike. Number 4 is the Ladped LP Max foldable electric scooter. The Ladped LP Max foldable electric scooter represents a notable advancement in personal electric mobility, blending power, endurance, and safety in one sleek design. Central to its appeal is the upgraded powerful motor, which delivers robust performance capable of tackling various urban terrains and providing a smooth, efficient ride. This motor upgrade ensures that riders experience reliable acceleration and sustained speed, making daily commuting or casual rides more enjoyable and less strenuous. Complementing the motor is the scooter's super large capacity battery, a key feature that significantly extends its range and usability. With this high-capacity battery, the Ladped LP Max supports longer journeys without frequent recharging, ideal for users who depend on their scooter for daily travel or recreational outings. The battery's capacity also enhances the scooter's overall efficiency, balancing power consumption with distance coverage to optimize each ride. Safety remains a primary focus with the inclusion of a comprehensive safety indicator system. This system provides riders with critical real-time information about the scooter's status, such as battery life, motor conditions, and potential alerts. By keeping riders informed, the safety indicator system helps prevent unexpected issues during rides and encourages responsible usage. The foldable design of the Ladped LP Max further adds to its practicality, allowing for easy portability and storage. Whether navigating crowded public transport, storing it in small spaces, or carrying it into offices, the scooter's foldable frame makes it a convenient choice for modern urban lifestyles. In essence, the Ladped LP Max foldable electric scooter combines an enhanced motor, a powerful battery, and intelligent safety features within a compact, foldable body. This combination caters to riders looking for dependable performance, extended range, and peace of mind on the go, establishing the scooter as a versatile solution for city commuting and leisure rides alike. Coming in at number 3 is the Arwibon Q30 Foldable Electric Scooter. The Arwibon Q30 Foldable Electric Scooter is designed to offer a seamless and powerful riding experience, combining advanced features that enhance both performance and comfort. One of its standout qualities is the dual fast charging system, which includes 2 charging ports. When paired with the included charger, this setup delivers a more powerful and efficient full charge, typically achieved within 6 to 8 hours. This means riders can spend less time waiting and more time on the move. Equipped with robust 11-inch vacuum off-road tires, the scooter excels in providing superior grip and durability. These tires feature deep groove indentations that ensure excellent traction, reducing the risk of slipping even on challenging surfaces. Unlike traditional tires, the vacuum design minimizes the fear of bumps and blowouts, making the scooter reliable for off-road conditions as well as urban environments. Comfort during the ride is elevated by a sophisticated hydraulic shock absorption system. This system includes bold shock absorbers with reinforced and thickened spring damping that absorbs vibrations and jolts from uneven terrain. The upgrade in suspension technology significantly improves the smoothness of the ride, allowing for greater stability and rider confidence. In addition to its foldable design that enhances portability, the Arwibon Q30 balances power, safety, and comfort. It is well suited for those who seek a versatile electric scooter capable of handling diverse riding conditions with ease. The combination of fast charging, durable tires, and advanced suspension positions this scooter as a strong contender in the foldable electric scooter market. Number 2 is the Joyor S10S-Z Foldable Electric Scooter. The Joyor S10S-Z Foldable Electric Scooter combines innovative technology with sleek design to offer a reliable and enjoyable riding experience. Its standout feature is the long-distance battery system, powered by multiple high-capacity 18650 lithium batteries, which can deliver up to 85 kilometers on a single charge. The scooter's intelligent battery management system is accessible through an LCD screen, providing real-time updates on battery health and alerting riders to any potential issues. Simplicity defines the Joyor S10S-Z's aesthetic and functionality. The scooter's frame, components, and accessories share a consistent geometric design language that prioritizes usability. Unique control buttons and a bold red accent enhances the scooter's modern look, making it visually appealing while maintaining practical ease of use. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, the scooter's frame balances lightweight properties with exceptional strength and durability. This material also offers excellent thermal conductivity and corrosion resistance, ensuring longevity under various conditions. Riders can enjoy smooth acceleration control by gently pressing the throttle, allowing for a comfortable and customizable riding speed. For added safety during nighttime rides, the Joyor S10S-Z is equipped with ultra-bright 1.1W headlights that illuminate up to 6 meters ahead. The scooter's 10-inch front and rear tires feature advanced shock absorption and anti-skid treads, providing stability and comfort on uneven surfaces. Powered by dual 1,000-watt brushless DC motors, the scooter delivers consistent and strong performance. Underlying the scooter's performance is a sophisticated speed controller technology inspired by automotive systems. This controller uses a unique algorithm and speed sensor inputs to maintain smooth and stable speed regulation. This technology helps reduce rider fatigue while optimizing battery efficiency for longer journeys. Overall, The Joyor S10S-Z foldable electric scooter presents a well-rounded balance of design, performance, and smart technology to meet the needs of modern urban commuters. And finally, our number one pick is the Hezzo F6 foldable electric scooter. The Hezzo F6 foldable electric scooter represents a significant advancement in personal electric mobility, featuring a new self-developed brushless motor system. This innovative motor employs a positive basaltic vector magnetic field, enabling the scooter to generate strong kinetic energy with continuous high torque output. The result is improved energy efficiency, extended mileage, and reduced operational noise, making for a smooth and quiet ride. Designed for versatility and durability, the F6 is equipped with 10-inch off-road tires. The increased width of these tires enhances ride resistance and impact absorption, effectively minimizing bumps and vibrations. This design choice provides riders with a comfort level comparable to that of a car, even when navigating rough terrains. The scooter's intelligent control instrument includes an NFC-enabled, high-definition LCD display that offers riders real-time, precise information. Key metrics such as battery capacity, speed, gear, and riding mileage are clearly presented, allowing users to monitor and manage their rides with confidence. Powering the Hezzo F6 is a robust lithium battery pack, rated at 60V and 23 Ah, utilizing advanced 21700 battery cells. This high-energy battery provides strong propulsion, supports long-distance travel, and is engineered with lower density and superior heat dissipation. The scooter's design integrates the battery seamlessly into its frame, enhancing aesthetics while offering protection against theft, dust, and rain. Overall, the Hezzo F6 combines cutting-edge technology with practical design elements to deliver a reliable and enjoyable electric scooter experience suitable for a wide range of riders and environments.